Magnets have their own invisible field around them. As you can see on this video, we can discover how the lines of the magnet's magnetic field look like. If we place enough metal objects near magnet, they will form a structure based on magnet's movement. And if we place the magnet in the center, as the result, it will form exactly the lines of the magnet's magnetic field. As you can see, as a result, the lines form a loop structure going out of the one pole and returning on the top of other pole. Magnetic field waves accompany electric field waves. They are always perpendicular to the electric field waves, and it is one of the basic concepts in electrical machines. So if we place a loop of wire and we place a magnet, the magnetic field lines in combination with the loop wire will gonna produce electricity, and we can light a light bulb.